What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Japanese knives in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Starting our list of reviews, with the Knife MTH80 Professional Hollow Edge Chef's Knife, best Japanese knife for cutting vegetables in 2022. Online reviewers rave about how lightweight and sharp this knife is. It has a thin blade and dimples toward the edge to help glide through sticky foods, like potatoes. The MTH80 makes cutting vegetables easy and enjoyable. Hand washing and drying immediately are recommended, as it is for almost all knives, to help prevent rusting of the high-carbon, aluminum alloy blade. Up next, the Kuma 8-inch Chef Knife, sturdiest Japanese knife in 2022. The Kuma 8-inch Chef's Knife's thin blade makes it great for cutting vegetables or slicing through delicate cuts of meat. It's made of 67 layers of high-carbon steel, which makes it strong and chip-resistant. The handle is slightly beveled and feels very strong and sturdy in the hand. It also features a full tang, the blade runs through the handle, and good balance. Kuma knives are hand-finished to ensure sharp edges right out of the box. Moving on to the next, the Miyabi 34373-203 Chef's Knife, longest-lasting Japanese knife in 2022. In a world filled with dark wood or stainless steel handles, Mazer birch handles stand out. Not only is this Miyabi knife gorgeous, but it feels great in the hand. The wood handle is soft and smooth. The light, marbled color complements the steel blade that features a stunning floral damask pattern. The high-quality blade features a powder steel core surrounded by 100 layers of 2 different steels, which ultimately preserves edge retention. Up on our list of reviews, the Global 8-inch Chef's Knife, best value Japanese knife in 2022. You'll notice how Global knives differ from other brands the moment you pick one up. They're constructed from a single piece of stainless steel, which makes the blade noticeably thinner. The bottom of the 8-inch Chef's Knife's blade seems proportionally wider than other Japanese knives with a thinner bolster, the part of the knife where the blade meets the handle, and while the bottom of the blade almost seems unfinished with its very sharp edge, it's good for hacking through the meat. The dimpled handle offers slip-proof control and, fun fact, it's filled with sand for added balanced weight. No, you can't hear or feel the sand moving around when you cut. Finally, the Shun Classic 8-inch Knife, best overall Japanese knife in 2022. A good knife feels solid and sturdy in your hand. It encourages a good grip and rests securely in your palm. It has a good weight that's light enough for slicing vegetables and heavy enough for meat. The Shun Classic 8-inch Chef Knife embodies all of these details. It has a pakawut handle and a very sharp edge. The blade is made out of Shun's proprietary VG Max steel and covered in Damascus steel. It's designed for precise cuts and the ultimate edge retention, which we can vouch for after using ours for years without sharpening. Thanks for watching. For more details, follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.